Everyone, welcome back to the Power BI project tutorials. This video is the introductory video for the sales and inventory analysis of the fruits dataset. So the dataset that we have got for ourselves consists of various tables and various Excel sheets that are aimed at the customer information, the product information, and the sales information of the different fruits for a supermarket in a particular day. So we would be looking at the sales and the inventory data of that particular store, right? So for your reference, I have already created a report using the data set, and let us have a look at that particular report. This is the report that is created from scratch in Power BI, and we would be creating a similar kind of report. So let us take a look at what information this report gives us. It tells us the customer who has purchased the most quantity. So this is the customer Amina Lu, who has purchased the most amount of fruits, followed by these customers. Then this is a scatter plot that shows us the quantity, discount, and the unit price by the product name. So we have different products which shows us the discount and the quantity. So this is a product that is sold in maximum quantity, and we are giving maximum discount on it as well, and the size is governed by the unit price. Next, we have this visualization that shows us the unit price by the product name. So the most expensive product is asparagus. The total amount by year. So this shows the age of the customers, the age or the year in which they were born, and the total amount they have spent on our store. So the customers born in the year 1940 have spent the maximum amount, that is $489, and this is the whole chart that shows us the different customer ages. Next, we have a couple of donut charts that tell us that which were the least products that were sold by quantity, the most products that were sold by quantity, and the most products that were sold by the sales amount. So in the quantity and the sales amount, asparagus is a best-selling product, and if we talk about the least selling product, so we are getting lemon as the least selling product by quantity. This is exactly what we are getting in these data sets as well, like asparagus is most sold, lemon is least sold. This is the total sales done for the day. This was the total amount of the discount that was given, and this was the total quantity of the products that was sold. So this is a full-fledged report for the two types of analysis, the sales analysis and the inventory analysis. The sales analysis because we are getting the sales, the discount information, the inventory analysis because we are getting the quantity information. So this is exactly what we are going to create in the upcoming videos. So that's all for this introductory video. I will meet you all in the next video where we will be starting to create one report for ourselves. Thanks for watching this video.